What's good, ski y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sean here, back with another video. And look, chat, today, as y'all can see by the title, we is installing a new charge pipe. If you guys haven't seen the last video, we installed the aluminum valve cover along with upgraded NGK one-step coder spark plugs and Tuner Motorsports ignition coils, you know what I'm saying? And before that video, we have did the MST intake. So if you guys haven't seen those last two videos, make sure you guys go down in the description below, click the video, watch it. You don't want to miss it, because chat, we are upgrading parts by parts every single week, you know what I'm saying? We are getting the beamer right. We're going to get this thing back running. We're going to have the hardest beamer out here, y'all. So before we get into it, chat, y'all can see we got the VRSF charge pipe, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for y'all real quick so y'all can see everything that comes in the box. This should be a quick, easy video. Shouldn't be nothing too crazy. I don't think it's gonna take us that long to get through this one. So this one might be a little short video, but we're gonna have more bangers on the way. So make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you don't miss another video, man. Cause we just got them coming back to back to back to back to back. The charge pipe, some screws, a clamp, and a coupling. Should be a pretty easy install. I think that's everything that comes with it. Yeah, should be a pretty easy install. So we're gonna go ahead, pop the hood on the car, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that you need to do in order to install this new charge pipe. Let's go. All right, chat. So we got the hood popped. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look because this should be that easy. So the throttle body is right there. We have to take off that clip, the sensor for that. This, I forgot the name of it, but we have to take that off, and we have to take out this rubber clip. This is where they're prone to break at. They're prone to break right here because it's like this rubber gets really dull, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and take that off. So everything from this clamp back to the throttle body has to come off. So we're gonna go ahead and start unbolting everything and getting everything taken off. And it should not take that long, chat. So let's get straight into it. First things first, let's go ahead and disconnect this sensor. Put that there. Then we can take this. You just take your two fingers and you should be able to pull it right on up. That's simple. Probably need a pick tool for that, so let me go grab one real quick. Couldn't find my pick tool, chat, but a flathead should do. Damn. Well, there that goes. I had to come all the way off anyway. You know what I'm saying? And then flathead, take this off. So this should be easy to pop right up. And this should slide right off. Oh, there you go, chat. That's simple. There is the old one. And here is the new one. Looks so much better than the old one. So, chat, we have to take off this sensor right here. So I'm gonna go get my Torx bit, take this off and put it on the new one. And then after that, it should be a easy bolt on after that. Because this goes here, just like this. Goes on just like that. Your big clamp goes here. And the small clamp goes on this side, just like that. And then your, what's the name goes right there. Chat, I can't think of the name, I don't know why. And from the looks of it, it's gonna go this way, so your clamp goes right over top, just like this, just like that. So this is everything. Not bolted up yet, but I'm gonna go get this Torx bit, chat, and I'll be right back. All right, chat, so this is a T20 to take this off. And it also comes with new bolts as well for the new pipe. So you get that off. Just be careful, it should wiggle right out. Okay, sensor still looks good. So this is gonna go right in there just like that. Pop it in. Take your new bolts. Oh, damn, child, I hope this is the same size. These should look little as hell. Child, I gotta go see if I find an Allen key this small. Look how small this is. So I gotta go see if I can find an Allen key this small, chat. So I'm gonna go look in the garage. I'll be right back. All right, chat, lucky I found one laying around. That is the exact size that I need. That motherfucker running around here slow as a bitch, chat. You better keep it pushing. So that's all nice and tight. That should fit, hopefully. Chat, I can't find my 3/8 to well, 1/2 inch to 3/8 socket. I don't know where that shit went. So I gotta use my actual 3/8 socket in order to put that shit on. But this should be able to slide right in, just like this. Or not. I want it easier to connect this first. Then go ahead and rotate everything. Nope, that don't work either. See, the only thing about this side is a little tougher to get in. How you going? Yeah, you can leave right there. Thank you. Okay. Hey, chat, hold on now. All right, I can get it in. Oh, man. Got it, right to the hey. Go ahead and skip this part, John. Go ahead and get to the, getting the shit on. So I'm going to do rag off. Alright, chat, that shit gave me hell, but the easiest way to put this on, chat, is to put this coupling on first and then slide the charge pipe in there and then push it up to the throttle body and clamp it to the throttle body. I don't know why that shit gave me so much trouble, but I'm finna tighten everything down, make sure everything's flushed, and you know what I'm saying, connect it. Make sure this is in there farther enough. Really bad. Chat, I almost forgot, I didn't do an outro for my last video, chat. So if you guys did enjoy that last video, man, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. You will see me wearing the same outfit in the next video because I forgot to record an outro like I just said, but it's all good, things happen. But now we're back on our regularly scheduled program. It's still daylight outside and it's past 6 o'clock. So chat, thank y'all so much for tuning into the video. I'll see you on the next one, man. We gone.